Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful and practical books ever written for traders. The High Probability Options Trader by Marcel Link. If you want to trade smartly, manage your risks, and earn consistent profits from the stock market, then this book is a must-read. The author explains how to trade only those setups that give you the highest probability of success. That's the real secret of professional traders. So let's dive deep into this amazing book, chapter by chapter, and understand how you can become a high probability trader. Chapter 1: The Reality of Trading. Marcel Link begins by breaking a common myth. Most people think trading is a quick way to get rich. But in reality, trading is not a game, it's a profession. He says, if you come to the market without preparation, the market will teach you expensive lessons. According to him, successful trading is built on 3 pillars. Keycap 1: Discipline. Keycap 2: Patience. Keycap 3: Consistency. Luck doesn't work in trading, only preparation and rules do. If you treat trading like gambling, you'll lose. But if you treat it like a business, you'll win. Chapter 2: Understanding Options. In this chapter, the author explains what options really are, and how traders can use them to gain an edge. There are 2 basic types of options. Call option. You buy it when you expect the market to go up. Put option. You buy it when you expect the market to go down. But here's the twist. Marcel Link says, don't just buy options. Learn to sell them. Because option sellers have the advantage of time decay and probability. When you sell options that are out of the money, the odds are already in your favor that they will expire worthless. And you'll keep the premium as profit. Option selling isn't about prediction, it's about playing the odds. Chapter 3: The Power of Probability. This chapter is the heart of the book. Marcel explains that high probability trading means taking trades where the odds of success are 70% or higher. For example, if you sell an out-of-the-money option, there's a 70% chance that the price will not reach your strike before expiry. That means, you win most of the time. The author says, before entering any trade, ask yourself, is the probability of success in my favor? High probability trading is not about making one big profit. It's about making small, consistent profits over and over again. Chapter 4: Risk Management, the Real Weapon. According to Marcel Link, a successful trader is not the one who wins all trades, but the one who controls his losses. Without risk management, even the best strategy will fail. He gives these golden rules. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital in a single trade. Always define your stop loss and target before entering. Remove the word hope from your trading vocabulary. If a trade goes wrong, accept the loss and move on. High probability trading only works when you protect your capital. Your first job is not to make money, it's to avoid losing it. Chapter 5: Perfect Entry and Exit. Many traders are good at predicting direction, but they fail because of bad entries or exits. Marcel says, exit discipline is more important than entry timing. When your stop loss or target is hit, don't hesitate, just execute. Professional traders follow systems, not emotions. High probability trading is not only about entering right. It's about exiting right and following your rules without fear or greed. Chapter 6: Building Your Own Strategy. Here, Marcel Link focuses on creating your edge. A unique system that suits your trading style and risk tolerance. Some of the popular high probability option strategies include credit spreads, bull put spread, bear call spread, iron condor, straddle or strangle selling. All these strategies have one common principle: trade probabilities, not predictions. It means, don't try to guess where the market will go. Instead, position yourself so that you make money even if the market does nothing. That's the real power of high probability trading. Chapter 7: The Trader's Psychology. The author says, the biggest enemy of a trader is not the market, it's his own mind. Fear, greed, And overconfidence destroys more traders than bad strategies ever will. High probability strategies will only work if your mind is calm, logical, and emotionless. Marcel advises: don't sell because of fear. Don't buy because of greed. Stick to your plan and trust your process. Trading success is 20% strategy and 80% psychology. Your mindset decides how well your strategy performs. Chapter 8: Backtesting and Practice. Marcel Link emphasizes the importance of practice before execution. He says, backtesting is the shortcut to experience. Never use a new strategy directly in the real market. First, backtest it on past data or paper trade it for a few weeks. Backtesting shows you how your strategy performs in different conditions: high volatility, low volatility, trending, or sideways markets. A true high probability strategy gives consistent results across all conditions. Chapter 9: Record Keeping, the Habit of Professionals. The author believes that keeping a trading journal is one of the most underrated habits of professional traders. He says, if you don't track your trades, you'll never learn from your mistakes. A good trading journal should include entry and exit reasons, profit or loss amount, emotions you felt during the trade, lessons learned. This data helps you analyze patterns. Which setups are actually high probability and which ones aren't. Over time, this habit turns you from an average trader into a consistent performer. Chapter 10: The Key to Long-Term Success. In the final chapter, Marcel Link reminds us, anyone can win in the short term, but only disciplined traders survive in the long term. High probability trading isn't about big wins. It's about small, steady, repeatable profits. It's not about being right every time, but about managing your risk every time. Long-term success in trading requires risk control, mind control, continuous learning, and most importantly, patience. Remember, markets reward consistency, not confidence. Key takeaways from the book: high probability trading equals small, consistent profits over time. Focus on strategies that give you a statistical edge. Risk management is your ultimate defense. Keep emotions out of trading. Track your trades and learn from data. Don't predict the market, position yourself smartly. So friends, this was the complete summary of The High Probability Options Trader by Marcel Link. A book that teaches us how to trade with logic, discipline, and probability. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which trading or investing book you'd like me to summarize next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade with discipline, think with probability, and stay profitable.